Hi everybody, today we're in Scarborough, Toronto, Canada. So it's really snowy today, and as you can see, half my foot could go in there. It's really snowy. It's about, I could tell, about 4 feet tall, I think. And the weather from yesterday was minus 15, and that caused today to be this snowy. And today's weather is minus 4. It's pretty snowy. As you can see, I can barely walk. I have to really put up my leg and just put it down. It's pretty hard, and all the cars are fully covered. It's really snowy. There's not a lot of people outside. Everything's covered. One thing you can basically see is trees covered with snow. As you can see, it's fully snow. There's a lot of snow here, and this is basically today, and it's really wild. There's a lot of snow here.